Hi, my name is Meza, the Media Systems Engineer at CBN. You're probably looking at this video because you want to know how to get your Creative Cloud 2014 applications back. When upgrading from CC 2014 to CC 2015, the default setting is to uninstall CC 2014 applications. This way it doesn't take up valuable hard drive space, and more importantly, there wouldn't be any version conflict within your system. But after upgrading, some people want to get their 2014 applications back. Maybe they didn't realize that they're actually upgrading from one version to another. They thought maybe it was just a patch. Maybe after they run it for a little bit, they notice it's buggy or it's not compatible with their operating system. Maybe it's not compatible with their drivers. Maybe it's incompatible with some of the plugins that they have installed. Or maybe they notice that it's slowing down their machine. Or maybe it's just because other clients still has 2014 and they didn't upgrade to 2015 and they have compatibility issues. So whatever reasons you have for going back to CC 2014, I'm gonna show you on this video how to get your applications from 2014 back, and also how to uninstall the 2015 application if you need to. Okay, let's get started. Alright, first we're going to have to locate the Adobe Creative Cloud application. That's usually pinned to the menu bar since I'm on a Mac here. So I'm going to locate that. Now click on the Creative Cloud icon. And as you can tell here for this demo, I have Photoshop 2015, Premiere 2015, and when I do the Premiere install, it automatically installed the Media Encoder 2015 as well. Alright. When I did the upgrade, by default, it will automatically remove Photoshop 2014, Premiere 2014, and Media Encoder 2014. So we're going to get those back. Alright. In my case in particular, we're wanting to get Premiere 2014 back. So to do that, we're going to have to click on Previous Version, and under Previous Version there's another option for View Previous Versions. So I'm going to click on that, and when I do, it revealed all the previous versions available. So I'm going to have to scroll down. Alright, this is what's available under the previous version. So you can find this under Find Additional Apps underneath here. Alright, and for me, I'm gonna get Premiere Pro 2014. So when I click on Install, it gives me 3 more options. As you can tell here, it doesn't only go back to 2014, but it actually goes back a little bit further to the original Creative Cloud version 7, and the CS6 version, which is version 6. So I'm not going to go back that far. I am more interested in the 2014 version for backward compatibility. Alright, so I'm going to click on CC 2014 here, and it's going to prompt me for my username and password. Okay, and now it's going to take a while to install. As you can see from this progress bar, it's going to download and it's going to install. Okay, as you can see here, it's finished installing. But what it did is it installed the basic version, the 2014 unpatched. So this is going to be 2014.0. So you probably will want to update it to get to the version that you were using. I assume it's the latest of the 2014. So go ahead and click on Update here. And it's going to update. Again, it's going to download and then update using the latest patch that it has. And also notice that when I installed CC 2014, the Media Encoder got installed with it, as well as Bridge CC. Okay, now that it's completed, the icon has changed from update to open. And before you leave here, you probably want to go ahead and update your media encoder and Bridge CC as well. So to make it easy, just click on Update All. And again, it's going to download and patch to the latest 2014 version. Okay, now everything's up to date. We got Premiere Pro 2014, Bridge CC, and Media Encoder CC 2014, all to the latest of the 2014 version. But notice something is different here. When we installed the 2015 version, by default, it uninstalled the 2014 version. But when we installed the 2014 version, it kept the 2015 version. So in our hard drives now, we have both versions. And there could be a small potential of version conflict within the system. So I don't know if you want to keep both versions. But if you do, you can leave it just as it is. One thing to keep in mind though, if you make or create a new project in Premiere 2015 and you send it to a client who only has 2014, they will not be able to open it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to uninstall the 2015 if you need to. First, we're going to the Finder, go to Applications, and go to the Utilities folder. Gonna hit U. And within the Utilities folders, we can see that there's a folder called Adobe Installers. That's what we want. And within here, you can see that it has all the uninstallers. And if you really want to or need to uninstall your CC 2015 application, for example, I now have Premiere CC 2014 and I don't want other users on this machine to use the 2015 version, or maybe there's a version conflict, or maybe whatever the reason is, I need to get rid of CC 2015, I can use this and this and this. These three. This one will uninstall the Adobe Photoshop 2015. This one will uninstall the Adobe Premiere 2015. And this one will allow you to uninstall the Media Encoder 2015. And so I'm going to use Premiere as an example. So I'm going to double click on this. And it's going to give me an option to remove the preferences. In this case, I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to click on Uninstall. As usual, it wants to make sure that you have administrative rights on your machine before allowing you to uninstall an application. So I go ahead and put in my username and password, and we can see that it's uninstalling it pretty quickly. And that's it. It's done. Alright, so going back to the Creative Cloud application, we can see that Photoshop 2015 is there, the Media Encoder 2015 is still there, and Premiere has now got an update on it. So we don't want to do that. So leave this alone if you want to keep your CC 2015 version of Adobe Premiere, just the 2014 version. So we don't want to update. Alright, so that's basically it. I just showed you how to get your Creative Cloud 2014 applications back, and also showed you how to uninstall the CC 2015 versions. Hope this video has been helpful to you. All right.